Hello. So this is the Carbanora breakfast smoothie. And you're wondering, what is Carbanora? Carbanora is a name I coined up from the ingredients that I used in this recipe. Carrot, banana, and orange. And that's how I got the name Carbanora. It's my own name that I coined for this delicious breakfast smoothie. In my next video, you're going to see exactly how I made this delicious smoothie. So stay tuned and we'll be back so you see how this smoothie was made. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Musu. Today's recipe is going to be super easy. What I'm going to make for you today I call the Carbanora Smoothie. Yes, it's a name that I coined up using the names of the vegetables and fruit that I'm using in my recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to be using one carrot stick, a banana, and my orange nibbles. If you want to watch a video for how I made my orange nibbles, you can just click the link that is above this video and you will go to the video where I make these orange nibbles. So let's get started. And also I forgot to tell you, we're going to be adding water. But the water is mostly to just work the blades in the food processor or the blender. So stay tuned. We're going to have this done as quickly as you can think. The first thing I'm going to do is to grate this carrot in a bowl. And I'm just going to grate the carrots because when I put them in a small blender, I want them to blend faster. Because the blender is small, if I use just the whole pieces of carrots, I may not be able to work the blades well and the blades might break. So I just go ahead and grate my carrots. It makes it faster when you have to do your smoothie. I think when you grate the carrots, the process is actually faster than when you have to cut the carrot into chunky pieces and put them in the food processor. And as I mentioned, this is a very easy recipe. You can do this as quickly as you want. So I'm going to come back and complete grating the carrot, and then I will show you how I'm going to combine everything to make the smoothie. So stay tuned. So we're back. One thing I wanted to mention was that the grater I'm using is not a very fine one. You don't have to use a fine one like the one with the tiny holes. I'm using the one with the medium, holes. So you don't have to use a very tiny one. So I just wanted to put that out there and let you know. I have the carrot completely grated in this bowl. I've peeled my banana, and then I have my orange nibbles here. So what I'm going to do next is to combine all of these into this food processor bowl, and then we're just going to process everything together. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my, just use your spoon to cut the banana into pieces and put them in the bowl. You don't have to use an extra bowl, just use the processor bowl. Just cut it into tiny little pieces. And this is a very delicious breakfast smoothie. I actually had it for breakfast a couple of days ago. And I decided to just post the video so you get to know how to make this very quick and delicious breakfast smoothie. And then the next thing I'm going to do is put my grated carrots on top of the banana. You can make this in a flash on your way to work. I wouldn't even suggest making it the night before you cooked, but I think if you just got up and made it, it will be better. So for the hold on 1 minute, I'm going to rinse this spoon off because I'm going to be introducing it into this jar. So I only take like 3 pieces. You can go as much as you want. Okay, let's do 5 just for good measure. if you have more of the juice, you can add a little bit of the juice from the orange nibbles if you want. And then what I'm going to do next is add water. Now this is eyeballing again. I don't have any measurement for the water. I'm just going to add a little bit of water. I'm going to say about 3/4 cup of water. And we're going to put this on the blender. And we're going to make our smoothie. You cover this up. And then we get to blend. It doesn't take very long to blend. And as I mentioned before, this is a very simple recipe. You can make this in like 10 minutes or less. You want to make sure the carrots will grind very well. You can use a larger blender if you want, that is more powerful. The larger blender is more powerful than the smaller one. But because I don't have the smaller one close by and the recipe is only for like 1 serving, that's why I'm using this small blender. But you can use your large blender if you want to serve more people. Let's take a peek. Wow, it's coming together very well. I'm just going to give it a little more grind for another minute. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Okay, I think that is enough. So we're going to open this up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Carbonara is so ready. And the next thing you're going to do, let's keep this covered so it pours well. Let's take all of these away from here. So the next thing you want to do now, we get to the good part, right? You're going to pour this into your glass. And if you think it's pouring too slow, like I think this one is doing now, I'm just going to remove the top and let it pour because this is a smoothie. You know, it's not going to pour as fast as the juice, which is more liquid. So you see, oh my goodness, look at that deliciousness. Oh my goodness, you see there? Guys, there you have it. The carbonara juice. Carrots, banana, and orange mixed together, blended very well, and you have your breakfast smoothie. This is what we call quick and easy, but healthy as well. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so you don't miss a recipe. You want to make sure you have all of these recipes. You can also go to my website. The link is posted below. There are lots of other recipes posted on that website also. And see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.